you wanna cook with me when you want it to be the bomb, check out realhomecooking.com. I said real home, realhomecooking.com. I said realhomecooking.com.
Alright, so we're going to be starting with a chicken breast that we're going to slice into some small pieces. Of course, we're going to have our cheese, our Amoroso roll, and if you'd like, some onions, sauteed onions, some pepper, and then salt, pepper, and garlic powder to season. I like to use a lightly or almost frozen, semi-frozen rather, piece of chicken breast, and it enables you to be able to slice real thin slices of the breast. So if you have it lightly frozen still, it'll make your job a lot easier. Now you don't want it completely frozen. Just take out the frozen chicken breast and lay it out for a moment, for probably about a good half hour, and maybe even about a half hour, 45 minutes, and then go ahead and start slicing it. And here we go. So I'm just adding some garlic powder, some salt, some pepper right to that, and I'm going to get my pan, put some oil into my cast iron pan, and of course the chicken's not going to create its own oil, so get a little bit of mushrooms and onion mixture, and that seasoned up the oil just a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken to that, saute that up. Actually, I took the onions and the mushrooms out because my daughter doesn't like the onions and mushrooms. But you, if you like them, keep them in. Build your sandwich the way you want it. So I'm going to put a lid on it just to make sure that the chicken cooks completely. I do not like to mess around when it comes to chicken. And once that chicken is completely cooked, then I'm just going to make 2 little rows, because that's enough chicken for 2 sandwiches. And then I'm going to add my cheese. In this case, I'm going to be using some American cheese. And then my Amoroso roll, I just like to put it over top so that the steam will actually soften up the roll and then give me a nice little grill on the top of the roll. And there we go. Take a look at that. Look at how delicious that looks. Nice chicken cheese steak, Philly style, just wonderful. Why don't you make this for you, for your family, for your friends, for your frenemies, for whoever you want to make. This is great for the Super Bowl party and for any football game and for any time. Matter of fact, look at how delicious that sandwich looks. If you want to add a little bit of mayonnaise or some hot peppers or some sweet peppers or whatever you want to add to that, would be wonderful. Take a look at that. Well, I hope you like this recipe. I hope you try this for you and for your family. And until next time, check us out here. Please like, comment, and subscribe right here to Real Home Cooking. You take care. Ciao.
Said if you wanna cook with me when you want it to be the bomb, check out realhomecooking.com. Said if you wanna cook with me when you want it to be the bomb, check out realhomecooking.com.